Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start insurance for musicians with MusicPro, complete guide step by step. First, understand the unique risks associated with being a musician. Consider equipment damage, liability issues, and potential loss of income. Next, research the types of insurance coverage available. Look into policies specifically designed for musicians. Visit the MusicPro website to explore their offerings. Check for different coverage options suited for your needs. Create an account on the MusicPro platform. This will allow you to get personalized quotes and manage your policy. Fill out the application form with accurate details about your musical activities. Include information about your equipment, performance frequency, and income sources. Review the coverage options presented to you. Consider general liability, equipment insurance, and professional liability policies. Select a policy that best fits your needs and budget. Take note of any exclusions and limitations of the coverage. Once you've made your choice, proceed to the payment section. Choose a payment method that works for you, whether it's monthly or annually. After payment, review your policy documents carefully. Ensure that all the information is correct and reflects your discussed coverage. Keep a copy of your policy documents in a safe place. Consider storing them digitally for easy access. Regularly review your insurance needs as your career evolves. Adjust your coverage if you acquire new equipment or take on more gigs. Reach out to MusicPro's customer service for any clarifications or adjustments. They can assist you in understanding policy details and making changes. Finally, maintain a good relationship with your insurer. This can be beneficial if you need to file a claim in the future. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to securing insurance that protects your musical career. Now, feel confident to perform and create, knowing you have coverage tailored for you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.